In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quicker way to link Google Drive files in Google Sheets. If you're frequently finding yourself needing to reference documents stored in Google Drive within your spreadsheets, you'll appreciate these efficient methods. Let's dive right in. Firstly, the simplest and fastest way to link a file from Google Drive into Google Sheets is by copying the file link directly. Here's how you do it. Just navigate to your Google Drive, find the document you want to link, and open it. Once it's open, click on the Share button in the top right corner. You'll see an option labeled Copy Link. Select it. By doing this, you secure the URL of your file, which you can then use. Head over to your Google Sheet, click on the cell where you want the link to be, and paste that URL directly into the cell. It's quick, it's easy, and if your file's sharing settings are set to anyone with the link can view, then it ensures accessibility for anyone who has access to the spreadsheet. This method is straightforward and extremely useful when time is of the essence. Another nifty option, if you prefer not to work with URLs, is to use the @mention feature directly in your spreadsheet cell. Start by clicking into the cell where you want the link. Simply type the @ symbol, immediately followed by typing the name of the file you wish to link. A drop-down list should appear with suggestions from your Google Drive that match what you're typing. Continue typing to narrow down the options until you see the correct file. Once it's visible on the list, click it to insert the link into the cell. This method not only provides a clean look, but also means you don't have to leave your spreadsheet to track down your file link. Lastly, if you prefer using the Google Sheets interface, there's a more structured approach involving the Insert menu. Click on the cell where you want the hyperlink, then navigate to the top menu bar in Google Sheets, click on Insert, then Smart Chips, and finally File. This will open a sidebar where you can search and select your desired document directly from Google Drive. This method is particularly useful if you're already familiar with navigating through Google Sheets' menu options and prefer not working directly with links or typing document names. Remember, for the last two methods I shared, it's important that the files are saved in your Google Drive, as they'll pull information directly from your Drive account. While these methods add a bit more polish to your spreadsheets by integrating the link more naturally within the content, the first method remains the speediest for those in a rush. Try these techniques out and see which one best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips to be both helpful and time-saving.